Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the SUMPRODUCT function in Excel. This powerful function multiplies corresponding components in given arrays and then returns the sum of those products. The SUMPRODUCT function is particularly useful when you need to perform weighted calculations, analyze data across multiple criteria, or compute more complex formulas involving arrays. It is a versatile tool that can simplify your calculations and improve your data analysis capabilities. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the SUMPRODUCT function means. Array 1, the first array or range of values that you want to multiply and then add. This is a required argument. Array 2, array 3. Optional, additional arrays or ranges of values that you want to multiply with the first array and then add the results. You can include multiple arrays, but all arrays must have the same dimensions. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a table that lists products, their unit prices, and the quantity sold. You want to calculate the total sales for all products. Enter the unit prices in cells B1 to B5 and the quantities sold in cells C1 to C5. In cell D1, enter the formula equals SUMPRODUCT B2, B6, C2, C6 to calculate the total sales by multiplying each product's unit price by its quantity sold and then adding up all the results. Press Enter, and Excel will return 387, which is the total sales amount for all products. Now, let's consider a scenario where you want to calculate total sales for products that meet multiple criteria, such as products priced above $10 and quantities sold greater than 5. In cell D2, enter the formula equals SUMPRODUCT B2, B6. 10, C2, C6, then 5, C2, C6, to multiply the unit prices and quantities only for those products that meet both criteria. Press Enter, and Excel will return 212, which is the total sales amount for products priced above $10 with quantities sold greater than 5. The SUMPRODUCT function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Weighted calculations. Perform weighted averages, sums, or other calculations where different values have different levels of importance. Conditional summing. Sum values that meet multiple criteria without needing an array formula or complex if statements. Data analysis. Simplify complex calculations involving multiple ranges or arrays, making it easier to perform data analysis and reporting.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.